Welcome to this birthday celebration at SeaWorld in San Diego. So today we're going to SeaWorld. We're just entering the park entrance right now. It's still a little early. We just got into the park, and of course the first thing that greets you is stores. So you'll spend your money buying this expensive souvenirs.
And Donna, she's going to be waving behind you, and I'm just going to be right over here for no reason at all.
Here's the flamingos here. We're just on our way to the Orca encounter. Okay, this is one of the rides we're gonna take later. It's not really scary, but you might get wet a little bit, but it's a lot of fun. We're at the Orca encounter.
There's nothing quite like being able to see a killer whale up close and being able to learn about them and their natural behaviors.
Making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey.
Exposing the victim.
Killer whales truly are a natural wonder, and Kalia here will help me to show you some of their physical characteristics. The blowhole is perfectly centered right on the top of their head to get a quick breath of air right at the surface of the water.
Disorient the area. With the fish confused and contained, the whales stun them with their powerful tail flips, making for an easy meal.
All right, here they come in 3, 2, 1.
I think they're feeding them, they're training them. Hello, it's lunchtime. What are you having?
We're having a plant-based burrito.
Plant-based burrito. It's vegetarian.
Yep.
With salsa chips. We're going on the Wild Arctic Rescue Center. Arctic Animal Trek. It's an animal trek.
And you would notice the shape of his head in comparison to Alua, who is a tiny one over on the end. about to come up right now. He's just a little yellow. That is Ferdinand. He is our old man.
Actually, it's talking. This ride we're about to go on is called the Journey to Atlantis. Okay, here comes one. Oh my god, I got wet. We're about to get on the Atlantis ride and get wet. Did you get wet?
Yeah, I got wet.
But it's fun, right?
It's fun.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is where we dropped from on a boat. But see that little girl? She wasn't even scared. I think we're just waiting for the next round. We're gonna be lifted up again. I think for the next group of people to get on this ride. It's more like a fall. Alright. Here we go. We're going up. We're getting up. We're getting up. We're getting up. Oh my god, we're almost there. Oh, we're off now. A bummer. I didn't know that there was a second part to the ride. It's actually a roller coaster, and I had my hat on, and I lost it. It flew from my head. I'm upset. Okay. There it is. Going to make it all the way up. It's gathering momentum. Oh, they're upside down. Oops, twisting around upside down. Oh my god. Oh. Another twist, turn. This is where I got sick the last time. We're going next.
We're going up to the Space Needle.
Space Needle. Is that the name? I think it's Sky Tower or something. That is the ride that we're going on. Short. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, sure.
It looks like we're the only passengers though.
Yeah?
It's not a very busy, I know. Look at all the seats. It's going all around and you're supposed to look. But let me tell you what these things we're seeing. This is the Mission Bay, right? There's an island there. Is that Coronado Bridge?
No.
No? There's a bridge there. It's too short, huh? Okay, so there's this, seems like an island here, right in the middle of this bay. That's Mission Bay. And that island, as you can see, they're turned into a park. Like, looks like there's access to it.
All right, and so we have reached the top of the SeaWorld Sky Tower.
Oh,
You are currently 265 feet above the park.
We're 265 feet above the park right now. There's a parking lot. Can you see our car? Encounters, Dolphin Encounter right there that we saw earlier. And here's some of the, you can see some of the roller coasters. I think that one is called the Mantra. It's really low, but it's fast. I've written that before. That's the Sea Otter Encounter. We didn't get to see today because I think we came in late. Oh, there's a show going on right now, and that looks like, what is that show? All those people there. What is that? We're going on the Bayside Skyride now.
Where are we now? We're on the Bayside Skyride. Yes. Oh, look, there's another cart right there. So there's the bay and there's the and there's more people and there's a bridge here. I don't know where we are. They're pretty high actually. It doesn't show it. So I'm a little scared that I might drop my cell phone.
You'll probably land next to your head.
Huh?
Probably land next to your head.
I know. Well, stop upsetting me. It's my birthday. How old are you? I'm 60 years old. Is that a problem? So we go down here. Okay, we're now going the other direction. So this is the bay again, and you can see where we're going up that way, down there. Here, oh, there's the what he called Space Needles. What is it really called that we were on earlier? Oh, it's vibrating again. Afraid I'm going to drop my cell phone. There's a really tall building there. What is that building? Is that part of the balloon park? Oh, there's somebody there on a, what is that called? That's jet ski, that's right.
You see sea lions here swimming around. We missed their show. They're doing limited shows because it's a weekday and it's not the summer.
It's also vocalization.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that concludes our visit to SeaWorld today. Can you say goodbye to our viewers?
Goodbye.
And see you again.